Hey, what's going on YouTube? Todd back from theanswerking.com with another video. And my last video I did was about a gaming blog and how I would run one, how hard it is to run one. But in this video, I want to talk about gamers, for example. Now, just know that there's people online who get paid $1,000 a week or a month to play video games. Just asking people who does that. There are tournaments out there, like Evo was one of them, the biggest tournament fighting game history. People get paid. The companies fly people who play games to play video games. It's crazy. And that's what I want to talk about. How gamers get paid. You go on Twitch and you go on these platforms like Mixer and YouTube Gaming. The people who play video games all day long, they get these viewers watching play the game, and these guys or girls make enough money to pay their bills with it and make some good money. So how are they doing this? How are they possible paying a video game and getting paid? Well, the number one thing that they're doing that a lot of people not even talking about is being consistent. It's not about how good they are. It's that they're consistently streaming. They're consistently to write down something. That's cool. They're consistently gaming. They're consistently making videos. They're consistently playing the game and streaming all the time. So that's the whole thing about it. They stream all the time. And what happens if you stream enough, people start to notice who you are. So you can't be off again, on again streamer. You got to upload YouTube videos. You got to go on Twitch. You got to go on all these platforms and stream constantly to get attention, to get people to notice who you are. So how these guys who I watched a Call of Duty tournament, I forgot what it was called, but there's 4 people playing Call of Duty. There's 2 teams, 4 people playing each side, and they have a little monitor playing Call of Duty. And they have a team that sponsors them, and they get money playing video games. How sick is that? But how they get so good? Because they consistently play the game. See, when Call of Duty comes out once a year, a new game comes out once a year, and I'm pretty sure those top gamers, when they put the disc in to play the game, and they play the first match, I'm pretty sure, because I'm pretty sure that they wasn't good at it the first 2 times they playing it. Because first of all, you have to learn how the mechanics work. You gotta learn the map. You know, you're on a snow map or a map that's whatever. You got to go through the map and go through the whole entire map to see what's going on. You have to constantly play the map and see where people hiding at, or see where people be glitching at. You gotta do all these things to consistently play the map whatever else is playing it. So consistency is what they do. They know the ins and outs of the map. They know what work, what don't work. They know what gun to use and not use, because I'm pretty sure they use a certain weapon on the map. It don't work, but this weapon works better on this map. I'm pretty sure they know, because they played it over and over again. They made mistakes on the way, and they consistently play. As a team, they probably play online 4 or 5 times a week, 4 hours at a time, every day, so they can be good enough to go to these tournaments and win money. So bottom line is consistency. You must be anything you do, you must be consistent. If you want to get paid playing video games, you gotta do that shit every day. You gotta play games every day, 5 or 6 hours a day. You gotta play it. You can't do it 3 or 4 hours a week. You can't do it. You can't make enough money doing it. You gotta do it consistently. You have to keep on doing it. So the bottom line to the message of this video is consistency. You must be consistent in anything you want to do. Keep doing it. And I told you in my couple last videos, I'm doing a video a day for the rest of the year. And I don't care if I get 100,000 views to a video or 1 view. Every video that I create is 1 step further to my goal. It's being consistent. I'm consistently making videos. What other time I have, I'm thinking about it, and if I could talk to someone, make a message to help somebody out who don't know what to do in life, who wants to be a gamer but don't know how to do it, you just have to be consistent. Don't matter what you do, just do it over and over and over again. You have to keep on doing it. You got to build it up, and then you can, what's that word? What's that saying? I'm saying, fruits of your labor. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor. That's the whole saying. Fruits. You must put the work in first. You must work first. Fruits of your labor. Once you put all the work in, all the hours and hours of time, then once the harvest comes, you find a reach reward. Then you can enjoy your hard work. Fruits of your labor. You have to constantly work. I'm not trying to start a YouTube channel. You're trying to start a blog. You're trying to get that full-time job. You're trying to finish college. It don't matter. You're trying to build a business. You're trying to do real estate. As long as you're doing long enough and do it enough times, you'll get better at it. This type SKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.